Hey everyone, thanks for checking in on ParkRangerJohn.com. Today we just checked into the Lake Powell Resort in Glen Canyon National Recreation Area, and I wanted to give you a look around. We have the bathroom here with a separate sink, toilet, and tub shower combination. Then we'll swing by the mirror. Come in here, we have a king size room. So the king size room, nightstand, comfy chair. There's a nice flat screen, desk area. One really nice bonus, especially if you're on a road trip, is there is Starbucks K-Cups and a Keurig here. The room has air conditioning, which is great because it's 105 right now outside in the beginning of June. And we have a view out here of the pool. And if you stretch your eyes, there's the lake right past that. There is a nice patio seating area. So make sure to check out ParkRangerJohn.com for all the information you need on the Southwest National Parks.